Here's our first skill for Unit 10, understanding mean, median, and range, and what to do with each of those. We will be in this upper right or left-hand corner, where it says mean, median, and range. We'll do our worked examples right there. And we will have several of them because it's kind of a long explanation for this one. If you need extra room, flip it over onto the back side. There should be plenty of space there. Now here are three types of data that we'll be looking at. We'll look at the mean, which is the average of the data set. So that means we just add all of our data together and then divide by the number of values that we have. In the median, it's the middle value, so we're going to line them all up numerically from smallest to biggest and then figure out which one's in the middle. We have the range, which is how far apart our highest and lowest values are, so we just take our highest and lowest and subtract them. We also have a fourth one called the mode, which is the one that appears most often. Well, you're working on the IXL for this skill, you might get a question that talks about that. So that's what that's asking for, is which one shows up most often. Jumping right into our first example, this question's asking us, what is the median? So from the previous slide, we remember that median is the middle one. So we're going to have to line all of our data up in numerical order, so smallest to biggest. We've got 2 zeros, then we got a 4, then we got a 5, 2 6s, 7, 10, and another 10. Now to find the middle one, I'm just going to start crossing off from both ends and figure out where the middle is. So check there. Zeros and 10s are gone. The 4 and the 7, the 5 and 1, the first 6, and my middle number is 6. So the median is 6. On to our second example, we're asked to find the mean this time, which means we need to add all of these totals together. So 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7 for a total of 30. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 5, which I happen to know is 6. So our mean is 6. In this question, we have Kimmy measured the length of every pen in her desk drawer and found that her 5 pens had lengths of those 5 different values there. We are asked to find the range. So when we're asked to find the range, we just need the biggest and the smallest. So 14 centimeters is my biggest, 10 centimeters is my smallest. So I'm going to just do 14 minus 10, and my range would be 4 centimeters. In this example, we've got our data provided to us in a little different manner than what we have in the previous ones. We are still asked to find the median, which is the middle one. So I'm going to figure out the order smallest to biggest. So 4, we got 3 6s, a 7, an 8, and a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I've got all my data listed. I start crossing off from either end. So 4 and 10 are gone, 8 in the first 6, 7 in the second 6, and I'm left with 6 in the middle. So that is the median. Now, I don't have an example of here where we have an even number of data sets, so I'm going to tell you quickly how to do that. If you end up with, let's say this is my data right here, and I end up with, when I start crossing off, I end up with 2 numbers in the middle. I would add those together, which would be 11, and I divide that by 2 to get my median, which is 5.5. All right, in our last example, we are given a chart, a bar graph, and we are asked to find the mean of those numbers. So first things first, we need to know what the actual numbers are for each of the bars. First one is 10, then we got 6, 5, 5, 8, 9, and 6. So adding all those together, 10 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 gives me a total of 49. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data points. So I'm going to do 49 divided by 7, which gives me a mean of 7. So there are an average of 7 fire hydrants on each street. Now, the CYUs for this mild level are on IXL. You are looking for U2A and CYK. I want you to do both of those to a mastery score of 80.